Welcome to this meditation practice. Find a comfortable position, either seated or lying down, with your spine straight and your body relaxed. Close your eyes gently and take a few deep breaths, allowing yourself to arrive fully in this present moment. Begin by bringing your awareness to your body. Starting from the top of your head, slowly scan down through your body, noticing any areas of tension or discomfort. With each breath, imagine releasing any tension you may be holding on to, allowing your muscles to soften and relax. Shift your focus to your breath. Notice the natural rhythm of your breath as it flows in and out of your body. There's no need to change your breath in any way. Simply observe its gentle rise and fall. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring your attention back to your breath, anchoring yourself in the present moment. Take a moment to reflect on something you're grateful for today. It could be a person, a place, or even something as simple as the air you breathe. Allow yourself to truly feel appreciation for this blessing in your life. Extend your well wishes to yourself and others. Silently repeat phrases such as, "May I be happy, may I be healthy, may I be at peace." Then expand this sentiment outward, wishing the same for your loved ones, your community, and all beings everywhere. As we come to the end of this meditation, take a moment to acknowledge the peace and stillness you've cultivated within yourself. Know that you can return to this place of calm anytime you need. When you're ready, gently open your eyes and carry this sense of mindfulness with you as you continue with your day. Thank you for joining me in this meditation for confidence. If you found this helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more guided meditations and leave a comment below letting us know what you'd like to see next. Until next time, may you move forward with confidence and grace. Peace be with you.